So today, being Friday the 13th, here is a divisibility rule for 13. Do you know that if you want to check if any number is divisible by 13, all you have to do is just look at the last digit of your number and just erase it, but then take 4 times whatever that digit is and add that to the remaining part. So for example, let's say you wanted to check if 221 was divisible by 13. Well, here the last digit is 1, so we can just erase it, then take 4 times 1, add that to the remaining part. So if we started with 221, the last digit is 1, we erase it, 4 times 1 is 4, we add that to the remaining part, which would be just 22. 22 plus 4 is 26, and oh, well, 26 happens to be 13 times 2, so that means that yes, 221 must be divisible by 13. But wait a minute, why does this divisibility rule for 13 work? Well, here is an easy explanation and proof via the power of exploding dots. So if you had any number at all, if you put your number into a place value chart or a row of boxes, well, if that last digit was 1, this rule says that you take the last digit and you just erase it. So if the last digit was 1, well, there would be one dot in the ones box, and then you would just take that digit, you would erase it. So that means you would have 1 dot in the ones box, you're putting in an anti-dot or a tod in the ones box. So you have a dot and a tod together in the ones box. That means they would just annihilate, go poof. But then take 4 times whatever that digit was, and then you add that to the remaining part. So if the last digit was 1, well, then what you're doing is you're putting in 4 dots next to 1 tod. You're putting in 4 dots in the tens box and then putting in an anti-dot or a tod in the ones box. But wait a minute, what is 4 dots next to 1 tod? Well, 4 dots next to 1 tod is 40 minus 1, or 39. And 39 happens to be divisible by 13. So I don't care how many times you subtract 13 from whatever number you start with, that is not going to affect if the number you started with was divisible by 13 or not. Whoa. Calculator. Take care.